Hi, this is Zen the Crypto Queen, and today I'm going to show you as best I can how to move your XDC from Uphold onto your ledger. If you would you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell to receive all of my videos? That would be much appreciated. And give it a thumbs up if the content worked for you. Okay, thanks for being with me. I appreciate it. So let's get into it. In your back office of Uphold, I took these screenshots on my phone, but you can just as easily do it on your laptop. I just happened to be on my phone when I was looking into how to do this. I'm not going to pop up my ledger. I'm going to walk you through how to put it in your ledger. It's pretty easy. So on your home page in Uphold, you'll see anything to anything. This is where you can buy stuff, sell stuff, and you can also set up your limit orders in take profit, trailing stops, and by clicking on limit, you can decide if you wanted to, let's say, sell some XRP on Uphold or XLM or whatever you are holding on to in there. So when you do that, you go to limit. Whatever you have, you can say, I want to sell it at 50 cents, 60 cents, whatever it is, and you can do good until cancel. You can do good for the day, whatever you want to do. Okay, but here today we're going to just transact, right? So this is what it looks like when you first open it, and we're going to go to here, okay? And you're going to click on select source, and you're going to go to your XDC account. As you can see, I don't have much in XDC on here. I already moved it. And then it moves on the Ether network, so make sure you have some Ethereum for gas fees. I'm not exactly sure what the gas fees will be. Maybe that's something that I can Google while I'm on here, but yeah, you can purchase some Ethereum, and it's not a bad idea. Ethereum is at 1556. You know, buy yourself some Ethereum, hold on to it, use it for gas fees. I mean, you could just buy a small amount and use it for gas fees. As you can see, it'll depend on what your amount of XDC that you're moving is, what your fees will be. I don't actually recall what my fee was, so anyway, I'm just going to walk through this for you. Okay, so you're going to put XDC in the select source, select destination. You're going to use the Ether network. When you pull up your ledger, you're going to hit manager or install, and under Ethereum, you can add in XDC and hit install. Okay, so first do that. Inside ledger, click on Ethereum, and under Ethereum, you can find all the coins that are ERC20 tokens, and you can type in XDC. It will load it and install it, and that is the address that you have to snag. So it will look like an Ethereum wallet address, and you can put it right here, because this is what pops up right after you do this. Okay, preview your withdrawal. I clicked on that down here. It brought me here. Now, I'm not going to move $80 worth of XDC, so that's why I'm showing it to you this way. So in your ledger, again, you're going to go to manager, install, under Ethereum. And if you don't have Ethereum back there, install that first. And then under Ethereum, you're going to install XDC. It's an ERC20 token, so as soon as you type in XDC, if you forget to put the Ethereum part, it will tell you that it's an ERC20 network. So you have to download and install Ethereum, okay? So this will automatically, in the back office of your ledger, pop down under Ethereum. So you'll have an Ethereum account. When you click on it, it drops down all the coins that are ERC20 tokens, okay? XDC being one of them. So don't freak out when you move it over there and you only see Ethereum. You have to click on the Ethereum in there, and XDC will drop down, okay? So, and that is where you want to snag the address, and you're going to place that right in here. And then you're going to click on next, and it will say, you know, are you sure, or confirm your order. You click on that, and then it'll tell you exactly how long it will take. You'll even get an email or a pop-up in your text, depending on how you have your Uphold set up, and it will tell you that you have just withdrawn X amount of XDC, etc., etc., and then you can refresh your ledger. You'll probably, in case you haven't noticed, on Ledger, if you leave it dormant for any period of time, and that can be anywhere from 90 seconds to 2 minutes, you have to re-enter your login details, and it will pop up with Ethereum. Make sure the Ethereum address, of course, before you send anything anywhere, always make sure the Ethereum address matches what you have, that it's correct and yours, okay? And just hit confirm. And then refresh your page on Ledger Live software on your computer, and it will show up. Click on Ethereum. Again, XDC is under Ethereum, so it will show up as Ethereum. Click on Ethereum. Your drop-down menu will have XDC there, and you should see it right there in your XDC wallet under Ethereum. Okay? So that's basically it. Is there anything else I wanted to tell you about other than gas fees for the Ethereum? That you could probably Google, depending on how much XDC you're moving. What are the gas fees for transactions on Uphold? And let me see if I can get that info real quick. What are the gas fees using Ethereum? Sorry, I should have looked this up. Before I started the video, but I didn't, so here we are. Okay, it's multiplied by the cost of a unit per gas. Okay, so yeah, it depends on how much you're moving. How can I avoid these fees? Can't. All right. What time of day is Ethereum gas cheapest? Okay, here's something good to know. It's typically 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST when the United States and Europe are fully active during work hours. Weekdays, that means 9:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. IST. So let's see, how do you avoid that? Wait for off-peak hours, yeah. So let's see, there is no way to completely avoid that. Let's see what IST is. What is IST? So today, I'm making this video at 2:25. It is 11:54 p.m. IST. That's Indian Standard Time. Okay, so you can look up Indian Standard Time. Looks like that is approximately 9 hours difference. Sorry, 10 hours behind India Standard Time. Okay, so make sure you make your calculations so that your gas fee is lower during that time. You can do that by using Google like I just did. Took, what, 30 seconds? So that you can figure out on your own. And, you know, the amount is going to vary depending on how much you move. So I wish I could tell you exactly what yours will be. I cannot. So, you know, I don't know. I'm going to say buy 30, 40, 50 bucks worth of Ethereum and have it in there so that you can pay gas fees. They are typically fairly high. So that's why I wouldn't go moving $80 worth. I can't remember how much I did move, but I don't remember the gas fees being that terribly high. So I must have been on Indian Standard Time. Anyway, that is it. If you have any questions about how to move this, or you want to move this in a private session, because sometimes people get nervous about moving their crypto off of exchanges and onto their ledger, and I'm here to help. So email me at zendevon@gmail.com. Please put crypto in all uppercase letters and only that word so that I see it in my email. I get lots of email and I don't like to miss it. And if you put anything else other than crypto in uppercase letters, sometimes it slides right by me. It's happened more than once. So please just put that one word, and we could book a one-on-one session for you and do that. Okay? Thanks so much for being with me. I appreciate you all. Love you. And I will chat with you on the next video. Cheers.